I'm back at it. I'm here in Saltillo, Marin County. You guys got to look at this view. Show them the view real quick, please. So we're out here. We're doing 3 decks outside. And purpose of this video is hiring people to do your tile and the lies they tell you. So basically, this lady had this guy come out. He tried to charge her like $8,000 to clean this and seal this, and then told her they're raw. There's nothing on it. Well, if you come back over here, because I tried to tell her you got to strip it. You got to get all this stuff off of here. So, see all this stuff right here? See all that white looking stuff? That's all old sealer. So, for what, I don't know if the guy was just misinformed. I don't know if he was trying to get over on her. I don't know if he just doesn't know what he's doing. I don't know. Purpose of the video, people, do your homework. We're all nice. We all have a mom. We all have kids. Some of us go to, some people go to church and pray, whatever. My point being is people lie. They want to make money off of you. Do your homework. The point is you work hard for your stuff. Don't believe these douchebags. They come up, oh yeah, $8 grand. I was like flabbergasted when I got here. I can't believe it. So anyway, though, people, do your homework, do your research. And what we're doing here on the job is we're going to strip it, remove all the shiny sealer, acid wash it to get rid of some of the mold and stuff in it, and then we're going to enhance it. So it's the same old stuff you're seeing in a lot of the other videos, but the purpose of this video, like I said, is whoever you get into hire to do your floors, do your homework. Don't let your painter convince you he knows what he's doing. That's another job I got going on in Sonoma. You guys don't even want to know. That guy's got 5,000 square feet he has to do now. And he paid some guy just last summer to do it. You should see it. It's all peeling and turning white. Some painter guy. My point is, people, don't try to save a couple dollars trying to hire somebody to do these particular tiles unless they could show you some kind of like credibility. Videos mainly. Don't believe pictures, because you can fake pictures too. That's why I do nothing but videos now, so you guys can see. Like, see how I'm sitting here? I'm not faking none of this shit. So, purpose of the video, do your homework. Don't be a practice dummy. Whether you hire me or not, and be honest, my calendar is filling up fast, so, you probably, you may not even be able to get on my calendar. But if you'd like to get on my calendar, go to my website, leave me a private message, maybe send me some pictures. Fritz Whitman, FRITZ_WITTMANN@yahoo.com. Maybe send me some pictures, the square footage. I'll give you a custom quote over the phone. I don't need to come look at it. They're all the same, just a little bit different. So yes, your floor can look great too. Just because you think it's trashed and it can't be done, it can be done, I promise. And but most important of all, just do it when it comes to these tiles. I'm not saying your painter can't do some ceramic tile or your painter can't figure out some other stuff. But Saltillo's, these tiles, don't be the practice dummy. Don't go cheap and try to save a couple dollars. Just my opinion. Stay informed, people. Do your homework. Share us, like us, love us. Have a good day. I need to get some work done. Look where I'm working. Look, Golden Gate Bridge over here to San Francisco. Look at this. That right there is called Angel Island over here. We got Oakland in the distance here. This is beautiful Sausalito, people. This is what I get to do every day at work. Awesome. Look at the little kayaker out there. It's just awesomeness. Don't be a clone. Clone Nation. Under a groove, nothing can stop us now.